This one is a quick and easy pumpkin mac and cheese. Pasta goes in, undercook this a bit. Only cook it about 5 minutes. I've got some chorizo. We'll talk about that in a minute. Let's get our sauce going. I melted a few tablespoons of butter in a large deep skillet. Now we're going to whisk in our flour, about equal amounts of flour. So 4 tablespoons of butter, you need about 4 tablespoons of flour. A couple of cups of milk. Now I'm gonna add some seasoning to this. Salt. And I like white and black pepper. They hit different points on my tongue and my palate, so I use a combo of the two. A little bit of nutmeg in any white sauce and anything with dark greens, and certainly anything with pumpkin. I'm gonna add a little granulated garlic. Spice it up with a little dry mustard. Different back of the palate heat with a little bit of cayenne pepper. Give this all a whisk. I took some store-bought Pepitas, plain pumpkin seed, and I toss the Pepitas with a little butter just so your seasonings will stick. I add in some paprika or smoked paprika, chili powder, a little cumin and coriander because they're best friends and they like to go everywhere together. A little salt. A little hint of allspice, or you can use pumpkin pie spice. That's delicious too. And a little sugar to balance out the salt. Mix this all together, throw it in a hot oven. And that'll be a tasty topper. I'm gonna toast these up. When we come back, we'll talk chorizo right after this. Yes, please. I'd like to jump right in the pot along with wow, our beautiful mac and cheese sauce has thickened up perfectly. I melted in a ton of shredded, sharp yellow cheddar, and I stirred in a can of pumpkin puree, about 2 cups of just pureed roasted pumpkin. We're also going to stir in some chorizo. Now this is fresh Mexican chorizo. That's our pumpkin cheese sauce. And then all of our Mexican chorizo. I know. I told you. This is major. That does not come out of the box. Woo-hoo. Your toasted spicy pumpkin seeds. What? Yes. Drop the mic.